Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to draw comparison graphs using Excel. So I am taking the example of stress comparison between two slabs at various distances. So this is for a body A, this is for a body B, and it's the distance. So the pressure and the corresponding distances are given. So we gonna check the variation of pressure, the variation of the stress at various distances for the two bodies and compare in the same graph. So we will take the stress for the two bodies along y-axis and the distance along x-axis. So let's first select the whole data. Now let's go to insert and then scatter, then this option, that is scatter with smooth lines. So now this is not the exact graph we want, so we left click and then select data. Then we want two of our comparisons, right? Two series. So we remove the rest of them. We are concerned with only two bodies, right? So now for the series 1, let's edit. This will be for A, stress A versus distance. The x values are the distance values, and the y values, the stress values. And now for series 2, you gonna edit this. So this is stress B versus distance. Okay, x values, the distance values, y values, this. Now okay, so as you can see here clearly, this is stress A versus distance and this is stress B versus distance. So that's the comparison. Okay, you can also label the axis from here. Okay, thanks for watching.